Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the countdown timer. The countdown timer can be used to initiate having them to have a goal. Sometimes it may be when the class is going to start. So if, let's say you were starting a class on December 14th and it was December 10th. You'd say countdown 4 days till December 14th. Or you could have it like I do, where once they start the class, my goal is hopefully they'll finish it within a set time. So let's say 2 weeks. So I would set a 2 week timer. And that is what I'm going to show you how to do. So we're going to go to a class that doesn't have a timer. And I believe, which one? We're going to do, we'll do my resource library, which I'm just working on. So then to find the timer, you're going to do customize your course pages, step 4. And you click on one. Click on the course homepage. And at the top, once it shows up, I'm going to count these. I should count how many times and we can see how slow my internet is on any given day. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Oh, I do have a timer. Okay, well, anyway, I have a timer on this one. And I'm going to edit it to show you how I got it. So this is an evergreen timer, and I have it for 2 months, but I don't want 2 months. Let's say I only want 2 weeks. So I'm going to do 2 weeks. If it was a set date, I would put live, and then you put the date that you wanted to start and when. But as I said, I'm going to do evergreen for 2 weeks, and I don't care what time it is. So I'm going to do, and then this is where you could put it on and off. You can see it'll be grayed out if let me do save settings, and you see it's grayed out so people can't see it. So then you gotta click on the box, by the way, one of the little timer boxes to pull the screen up. So I'm gonna do evergreen 2 weeks starting at that time. So I do save. See, now I have it 14 hours, 10, about 2 weeks. It's going down because I've been working on this, but this is where the 2 week timer comes. Anyway, so then I have this text here, your mission ends. I want to put, let's see, what do I want to put? Or you can put anything you want in here. But I would say goal to completion is ... about 2 weeks. So that is it. Then I could click off of this and it will stay. And now they have that timer. When the timer runs out, it just disappears. You don't see it anymore. Anyway, that is it for timers. They're super easy to set up. Once again, to get into the edit of the time, you do have to click on one of the boxes. I found out the hard way, save settings, that you can't click here. You can't click there. You have to click on one of, excuse me, the little boxes. That is it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.